Hey ladies, welcome back to the Lose Zone, the place where we turn small daily actions into big results. If you've been wanting to lose weight, tone your body, and boost your energy, but you don't have time for the gym, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple home workouts that can help you burn fat fast, build lean muscle, and feel amazing, all from the comfort of your living room. So grab your water bottle, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. First up, jumping jacks. This classic move warms up your body, gets your heart rate up, and helps melt fat from your arms, legs, and belly. Do 3 sets of 45 seconds with 15 seconds rest in between. It's simple, but it works, because it gets your whole body moving and boosts your metabolism. Pro tip: if jumping hurts your knees, try a low-impact version by stepping side to side while moving your arms. Next, squats. They're one of the best exercises to tone your legs, lift your glutes, and strengthen your core. Do 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and lower yourself like you're sitting on an invisible chair. You'll feel the burn, and that's where the magic happens. Workout number 3, modified push-ups. Perfect for building upper body strength and toning your arms, shoulders, and chest. Start with 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Do them on your knees if you need to. Form matters more than speed. Remember, strong arms mean a stronger you, and you'll love how confident you feel when you start to see progress. Now it's time to raise that heart rate with mountain climbers. This one is amazing for fat burning and core strength. Do 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Keep your hands under your shoulders, drive your knees toward your chest, and move quickly. This exercise targets your belly area and gives you that cardio burst your body needs to start shedding fat. Finally, the plank hold. This one strengthens your core, tones your abs, and improves posture, all in one move. Hold for 30-60 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 times. Keep your body straight like a board, engage your abs, and breathe through it. Remember, your body gets stronger every second you stay in that position. And there you have it. 5 simple, effective workouts that will help you lose weight and tone your body. No gym required. You can do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. And if you combine it with healthy eating, you'll start seeing results in just a few weeks. The key is consistency. Even if it's only 15 minutes a day, show up for yourself. You're worth it. And before you go, here are 3 great foods to eat after your workout to help your body recover and burn more fat. Greek yogurt with berries, packed with protein and antioxidants for muscle repair. Grilled chicken and sweet potato, lean protein and healthy carbs for energy. Protein shake with banana. Quick, easy, and perfect if you're on the go. Fuel your body right, and you'll see even better results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the True Lose Zone for more weekly tips to help you look and feel your best. Check the description area for great specials to include inexpensive workout bands that can help your home workouts. Comment below which workout you're starting with today. And remember, may the Lord always bless you.